Welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an exclusive look inside one of Lighthouse Point's most exquisite waterfront estates, a brand new custom-built mansion located at 4460 Northeast 31st Avenue. Listed at just $20 million, this architectural masterpiece boasts 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and over 6,300 square feet of refined living space. Nestled along the Intracoastal waterway, this home offers resort-style luxury, unparalleled craftsmanship, and direct deep-water access for your super yacht. Let's step inside and see what nearly $20 million gets you in South Florida. As we arrive at the estate, you're immediately welcomed by clean modern lines, tropical landscaping, and an elegant driveway leading to a 3-car garage. The curb appeal is as impressive as the waterfront views behind it. The front entrance features a massive pivot door that opens into a grand foyer with soaring double-height ceilings. Natural stone, rich wood accents and expansive glass come together to create a seamless blend of modern luxury and coastal tranquility. A cascading chandelier and glass railings set the tone for what's to come. Sophistication at every turn. The main living area is an open-concept masterpiece. Floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors span the entire rear of the home, flooding the space with natural light and showcasing breathtaking views of the waterway. A sleek gas fireplace anchors the living room, with custom built-ins and elegant LED lighting that subtly highlight the space. The home features imported European finishes, smart home automation, and state-of-the-art audio-visual systems throughout. Whether you're entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening, this space offers the perfect blend of style and comfort. The chef's kitchen is straight out of a design magazine, outfitted with top-of-the-line appliances, including Sub-Zero and Wolf. This space is both functional and stunning. You'll find 2 oversized islands with waterfall quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, and a hidden walk-in pantry. The open dining area offers waterfront views and opens up completely to the outdoor patio, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. Whether it's an intimate dinner or a full-scale event, this space delivers on all fronts. This estate includes 6 spacious bedrooms, each with its own ensuite bath and custom closet. But the crown jewel is the primary suite, located upstairs for maximum privacy. Step into your personal sanctuary. A room wrapped in soft textures with panoramic water views, vaulted ceilings, and access to a private balcony. The primary bath is pure indulgence, featuring a freestanding soaking tub, dual vanities, backlit mirrors, and a spa-quality rainfall shower. The walk-in closet? It's basically its own room, complete with built-in storage, mirrors, and lounge seating. Beyond the bedrooms, this mansion is packed. With lifestyle amenities, there's a fully equipped home theater, a sleek glass-walled wine cellar, a home office with custom cabinetry, and even a personal gym. Every inch of the property was designed with luxury living in mind, from the lighting design down to the Italian porcelain flooring. And now, let's head outside, because this is where the home truly shines. Step out to your resort-style backyard with a saltwater infinity pool, sunken fire lounge, and a full summer kitchen with bar seating. Every feature is positioned to maximize the east-facing views of the Intracoastal waterway. There's 100 feet of deep water frontage, no fixed bridges, and a private yacht dock that can accommodate vessels over 80 feet. This home is a boater's paradise and an entertainer's dream rolled into one. So, what do you think? This $20 million waterfront estate in Lighthouse Point is more than a home. It's a statement. Every detail, from the designer finishes to the unmatched location, delivers the pinnacle of South Florida luxury living. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next luxury listing. For more information or a private showing, check the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tour.